Yes, blood. Man's finally got the breakthrough, you know. Or at least man's got the recognition that man deserves. 3 years on YouTube, blood. 800 plus Ras Clark videos, you know. 728 subscribers and counting. Most man, 6 months, no results, back door. They would have kept it moving. Not me though. I'm a man, I've mastered patience. Yeah. Nothing happens overnight, you know. There is light at the end of the tunnel. Man's realized that. You know how many YouTubers have started channels and after 6 months, they've aborted their channel, abandoned it like a fucking haunted mansion. Because in that 6 months, they haven't reached 100,000 subscribers. They haven't got at least 10 videos that hit 1 million views and gone viral. And they haven't made no money from their channel. Man's realized a long time ago, life does not go your way all the time, you know. You're going to fail. Or at least you're not going to get the results you want straight away. You got to be patient. As long as you got a passion for things. That's the thing. A lot of people start things and they're just in it for the money. They ain't got a passion for it. Me, I'm a man, I got a passion for this YouTube thing. So when I don't get the results that I want, it's all right. Man, enjoy it. Man, enjoy making these videos. Man, enjoy chatting for 4 or 5 hours in this chair. Blood. I didn't even think it could be done. I've seen other YouTubers do it and I thought, nah. Once you get into it, when you enjoy talking to your audience, you got your regular, you get me subscribers always in the comment, the live chat and that. You don't mind doing 4 or 5 hour live streams. They're egging you on. The same man them that are in from the first 2 minutes are saying good night to man when I'm ending the live stream. No homo, blood. Yeah. Anyway, boom. So on my YouTube channel, I've got an email address linked to my YouTube account. It's called jystv@mail.com. Don't bother use it though. I'm gonna shut it down, remove it, and upload another one. So if anyone wants to email me, they can. So like if you go to YouTube channel pages, if you go to like the about section, the about tab, most man they will have links to Snapchat, LinkedIn, Facebook for their YouTube channel, and maybe Twitter. Me, I don't have none of those. I just got Instagram and I got email address jystv@mail.com. So boom, I got a couple limited companies set up. I ain't no fucking millionaire. Any idiot can set up a limited company. It only costs like £13 or something, innit? But one of them I need to shut down. It's an estate agent's business I was going to set up because I wanted to buy a property through an estate agent. I wanted to buy a property through a limited company that I set up, but I never went through with it. I bought a property, but I just done it in my name. I wanted to do it through a business name. Anyway, whilst I was filling out the application form, applying for this limited company to be registered, they needed an email address. Now, I've already got a limited company that's an electrical company. I've got my personal email address linked to that. So I needed to use one for this new estate agent business or whatever it is. So I just quickly used the jystv@mail.com when I was registering it. So it's been registered. This is a couple of years ago. It's been registered and that. But man's done nothing with this limited company. Every year I have to pay £13 for a confirmation statement and an annual return and that. I have to return the accounts. I have to fill out the accounts and that. And the company's not doing nothing. It's dormant. No money's going in. No money's coming out. It's doing nothing. So I decided, you know what, I need to shut this company down because every now and then I will miss certain information that I need to file to Companies House and to Direct Gov. And if I miss it, then I get like £100 fine. So I thought to myself, you know, this is a liability. It's not doing nothing for me. I need to get rid of this limited company. So boom, I forgot the password for the registration for the limited company. So boom, man's had to send a password request form to my email address, opened it up, reset the password, shut down the limited company. Then I'm just going through my emails on this jystv@mail.com. Bearing in mind, man don't check it every 2 weeks. Man don't check it every month. I ain't checked that email address for like a year and a half. Scrolling through, I see an email address, an email from someone from HMP YLY FELTHAM. Raw. A man said that he's basically found my content and he feels, with my history, my background, and obviously where I'm going now, how I've changed my life around, he feels that my content appeals to the youngsters them in jail, blood. Fam, I was fucking shocked when I saw his email. I'm like, blood, is this fucking real, blood? Basically, he wants to use my content. He's asking for my permission to upload my content onto the intranet. How do I explain the intranet? The intranet is sort of like a network that's exclusively for that particular company or that particular organization. So if Feltham have an intranet, obviously they want their content to be exclusive to their users. I mean, I'm not an internet tech man. Yeah, either you know what the intranet is or you don't. Yeah, if you don't know what the intranet is, go and Google it. But basically, them man there wanna upload my content to the HMP Feltham YOI. YOI is Youth Offending Institute. They want to upload my content to the Feltham intranet because they feel like my thing will be useful for the rehabilitation of the young people. Are you fucking dumb, blood? This is why I never gave up with YouTube, you know. This is, you know what, yeah, I'm thinking to myself, because I replied back to the email straight away, obviously, and it like, I got the email, I think, on the 2nd of February, and now it's March the 6th. I replied back to it straight away, innit? Even though I've replied back, I'm going to phone him up tomorrow to make sure he got that email, you know. I reckon they'll probably end up inviting me to go to the prison to go and speak to the young people. And I've been to Feltham as well, so I don't know what videos a man has seen, but I'm assuming, obviously, because he's talking about my background and that, he knows that I've been to jail. Probably maybe he knows that I've been to Feltham and that. So I just sent him a quick response back saying, yeah, so I didn't say respecting it, but I said, obviously, I appreciate the email. But yeah, of course you can use my content. And I sent him a link for the How to Find an Apprenticeship, because bear man come out of jail with nothing to do with themselves, innit? So yeah, if they can watch the apprenticeships video and that, man, break it down from scratch, that can be very useful for the young people and that. So this is what man's fucking talking about, blood. Yeah. You stick at things and you'll get rewarded in the future, innit? Even if it's not directly by money. Get me? I probably won't get paid like that from this YouTube thing. But you know what? The man then might, or the government might want to pay me to go and mentor young people in prison. That's payment off of my YouTube thing. That's payment off of my hard work over these 3 years. Never give up, blood. You don't know what's around the corner. You don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Like, man always make reference to Kevin Samuels. My man was on YouTube for 5 years. Yeah, his thing was doing all right. Like 200,000 subscribers. He made that one video, the one live stream where he's talking about the woman's average at best. Then boom, skyrocket. Next thing you know, a man's doing live streams on Instagram with Nicki Minaj. Don't get it twisted. Man, don't rate celebrities and that. But what I'm saying is, someone's that high profile, has limited time, has all these people want to do interviews. She's decided to give Kevin Samuels her time. My man's in Future's video, blood. That's what I'm talking about. If he decided, you know what, I've only got 200,000 subscribers, let me just give up or whatever. You think he'll be in this position today? My man easily is a millionaire. Easily. Even a man like AMS. AMS even admitted the other day he's a millionaire. Imagine if he gave up, I ain't getting the results that I want. Or imagine if he didn't turn on the camera. That's what man always say to you lot. If you got some idea, especially YouTube, it's free, blood. Turn on the Rascal camera. Stop all this bullshit, man. Need to buy Kodak 10K camera and all this bullshit. You got iPhone, you got Android phone that's decent enough to watch me on it, yeah? Turn on your Rascal camera and make the Rascal first video. Introduce yourself. Then talk about what other content this channel is going to provide. Yeah, man. Man's finally got that fucking recognition and that, man. So anyway, just wanted to quickly share that. Man's fucking haps. Tomorrow, 9 o'clock, man's going to be on the phone to my man from HMP, Feltham. Yeah, can't wait, man. Can't wait. Funny enough, I even put down in the email. Yeah, I was actually at Feltham before. I was on Quail, which is one of the wings, and then I got moved to ISIS. So yeah, I'm gonna phone him up. I'm gonna phone him up tomorrow. It's a shame that it's been so long, you know. You never know, a man could be like, fuck this guy or whatever, innit? But oh, well, it is what it is, innit? Stay where it's done now.